education and higher education, what tips or strategies can you give to student leaders like me in order for us to effectively empower our fellow students towards reaching a meaningful goal? Yun po yung question ko po, sir.
Kung ano yung ambisyon nyo, dapat malaki, maganda. Huwag kayong mag-ambisyon ng kaunti lang. Yung aim big.
Share, pag-ibig o karera?
Nanonood yung asawa ko kaya pag-ibig.